Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make platinum weave in ICARUS. First of all, go to the tech tree, tier 4, and find the electric textiles bench and unlock it. Once you've done that, go ahead and craft it. Like this. Now we can place it and connect it to our electric grid. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and press F, and there it is. There's our platinum weave, which requires some fiber and platinum sheath, or you can use wool or spider silk, whichever suits you the best. So we'll go ahead and craft it, and here it is. This is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if it helped, and see you in the next one.